Gorillascope was really set up through the frustrations of not being able to plan properly in the media industry. David Dwareth, the managing director of Gorillascope, had a big agency background, and what he found was he was a chief planner and he wasn't really able to plan. The plans were already set due to restrictive share deals. Gorillascope plan and buy TV advertising for a range of different sectors, from travel to finance to insurance to dating websites. So we do cover the whole broad spectrum. One of the main things that makes Gorillascope different is the flexibility that we offer in the market. We also offer a wonderful optimization tool that will allow clients to buy very late in the market. So clients that may be already on air, we will analyse that data, and while they're on air, we're constantly optimising the TV channels that they use, therefore improving cost per response rates, cost per sign-up rates or cost per sale rates. Back in 2001, when Gorillascope was founded, the industry was dominated by big players with big clients. The small and medium-sized client really wasn't thought about. And at the same sort of time, there was a huge explosion in smaller digital channels. And what this offered was far more targeted advertising for smaller advertisers at far cheaper, more effective rates. So what it allowed smaller companies like us to do was approach smaller businesses and try to get them onto TV.
TV advertising isn't as expensive as people think, and so often you can buy really targeted TV channels for not much money at all. So channels such as Travel Channel, Good Food, Eurosport, you can buy spots on those channels for as little as £20. So yeah, it means that it's accessible for all brands and all companies.
The process is kind of twofold, so we'll have clients phone us and we do everything here but the creative, so getting the creative, the advert ready is kind of the first step, which can often take the longest. That could take anything between sort of 4 to 8 weeks, and then it has to go through Clearcast, which is a governing body for all TV advertisements. Once that's finished, we then plan and buy the airtime.
Well, Gorillascope currently has 3 offices in 2 different countries, UK and Ireland. We're certainly looking to expand that. We're also looking to continue to launch more than 1 client a week. The last 2 years we've managed to achieve that, and going forward we hope to increase that significantly and also obviously organically grow the clients that we already have. Despite what you may hear or read, TV itself is in fine health. TV viewing has stayed flat over the last 5 years, and the intake of advertising has increased as well.